Okay, so today we are going to discuss the paper whatever we written in earlier class, FA1 biology paper. Okay, Alafi, on your video, on your video, on the video solve. On the video, Sirisha, Jyoti. Okay, so we are discussing the paper of FA1 paper, ma. So why you are not attempted the bits, overall bits, why are nobody got 10 out on 10? ఎవరికి 10 by 10 రాలేదు ఎందుకు? So where you are lacking there? So you haven't read the textbook or given in application mode. If you read the textbook, automatically you can able to answer at least 9 from the 10. But nobody got that many marks. Alafi has stopped up to 7 only. Then you lost the 3 bits there. So let me discuss those paper now. Is it visible ma to you? Okay. Okay. So first we'll discuss the bits. What the bits, where we had where we are attempted the wrong. So see here the first bit. So what is the role of roughages in the alimentary canal? So what is the role of roughages in the alimentary canal, ma? Anybody can answer? Unmute your microphones and answer me. Girls? Girls, to you only I'm asking. Huh? Role of roughages. Roughages means what here? Dietary fibers. So now need all of you mute your microphones. Mute చేసుకోండి. On your videos. Okay. So the role of roughages in the alimentary canal. So Dietary fibers. So roughages means it is rich in cellulose. Okay, cellulose, where we can find the cellulose in the cell wall. That the cellulose is uniquely present in the plant cells only. In animal cells, we can't find the cellulose. So because of presence of cellulose and fiber, it will add weight to the food. If adding the weight to the food will be slowly moves in the alimentary canal. That will it will allows the slow movement of the bowel movements in the alimentary canal. If it allowing that, the our digestive system can easily done their digestion slowly, step by step, and completely. Okay, so that's why by eating the roughages, our alimentary canal won't be disturbed, won't be damaged. We won't face any type of problems like indigestion or constipation. Okay, got it? So role of roughages in the alimentary canal means it prevents the constipation and indigestion and formation of ulcers. And sometimes because of indigestion also ulcers will be formed. How it will be possible means the roughages can able to add weight to the food. It can't be roughages. Our digestive system can't be able to digest the roughages or dietary fibers. So how it will be means how it will be useful to our digestive system means it will add weight to the food. మనం తిన్నదానికి వెయిట్ యాడ్ చేస్తుంది. వెయిట్ యాడ్ అవడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుందంటే ఆ ఫుడ్ అనేది ఫాస్ట్ గా మూవ్మెంట్ జరగకుండా స్లోగా మూవ్మెంట్ జరుగుతుంది మన ఎలిమెంటరీ కెనాల్లో. స్లోగా మూవ్మెంట్ జరగడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుందంటే కంప్లీట్ డైజెషన్ కొద్దిగా డైజెషన్ జరగడం వల్ల అట్ లాస్ట్ వీ కెన్ గెట్ ద కంప్లీట్ డైజెషన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫుడ్. Okay, so that's why roughages can prevent the indigestion problems and also the constipation. Okay, so that's why we can able to experience whenever we eat the heavy rich meal. Heavy rich meal means heavy highly carbohydrate content food and protein content food. ఎక్కువగా మనము ఈ నాన్ వెజ్ మీట్ తిన్నప్పుడు ఎలా ఉంటుంది మన స్టమక్ కండిషన్, లేదంటే వెజ్ తిన్నప్పుడు ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ ఈట్ అండ్ ఎనీ యూ కెన్ సే లీఫీ వెజిటబుల్ కంటైనింగ్ ద ఫుడ్, మన ఫుడ్ అనేది చాలా తేలిగ్గా ఉంటుంది కంపేరింగ్ టు ద నాన్ వెజ్ తిన్నప్పుడు. ఎందుకంటే ద నాన్ వెజ్ ఫుడ్, ద మీట్ ఫుడ్ వోంట్ హ్యావింగ్ ద రఫేజెస్ ఆర్ సెల్యులోస్. Okay, but the leaves means plants only, the leafy vegetable food, that is the veg food we can say. That veg means plants. Most probably we can get the products of veg food means from the plants only. So plant food will be rich in roughages or cellulose. So that's why we are feeling the type of easy tummy whenever we eat the more amount of roughages comparing to the non-veg food. Okay, so this is the answer for this. And second one, if we'll go to the second one, if there were no green plants, all life on the earth would come to an end. Comment. Why? All of you are understand, I think. Green plants లేకపోతే earth మీద the life will come to an end. Life అనేది ఎండ్ కి వస్తుంది. ఎందుకు? Why? How can you suggest, how can you support this statement? Why? Because we are calling plants as a universal producers. Why we are calling plants as universal producers means whatever the animals are surviving on the earth, either directly or indirectly, they have to be depend on the plants only. Okay, for example, if you'll take the human being is taking the food from the animal, but that animal, where the animal is getting the food. For example, if you'll be continuously eating the animal food only, that is a meat example. If you can take the mutton కంటిన్యూగా తీసుకున్నట్టయితే నువ్వు మళ్ళీ ప్లాంట్ తినట్లేదు కదా, ప్లాంట్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ తినట్లేదు కదా, నేను అనిమల్ ప్రోడక్ట్ తింటున్నాను, నాకు ప్లాంట్స్ అవసరం లేదు అనుకుంటే నువ్వు తినే అనిమల్, ఆ అనిమల్ కి ఫుడ్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింటుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యూ కెన్ టేక్ ద షీప్ ఆర్ గోట్. షీప్ ని కానీ గోట్ ని కానీ తీసుకున్నావు. ఓకే, అది దానికి ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చి ఉంటుంది ఫుడ్, దానికి అది ప్లాంట్ నుంచే కదా. దట్ మీన్స్ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ డిపెండింగ్ ఆన్ ద ప్లాంట్స్. Okay, so whatever the organism are surviving on the earth, they have to be get the food directly or indirectly from the plants only. Why? Because plants are having the capability to synthesize their own food by using the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis అనే ప్రాసెస్ యూస్ చేసుకొని లైఫ్ ప్రాసెస్, బికాస్ ఆఫ్ హ్యావింగ్ ఏ life process of photosynthesis, it can able to synthesize the food material. Okay, so by using the sunlight, carbohydrates, okay, water, and whatever the chlorophyll present inbuilt. Okay, so like this, chlorophyll content won't be present in nothing organism except plants. Only some bacteria we can find this chlorophyll. We are calling them as a photosynthetic bacteria. Okay, so because of having the life process of photosynthesis, we are calling plants as the universal providers. Why we are calling plants as the universal producers or providers means food providers means why? Because total animals, whatever the animals present on the earth, they will be directly or indirectly have to be depend on the plants only. So that's why without the plants, we can't expect any type of surviving organism on the earth. Okay, like this, you can write your answers in your own. General questions I had asked you. Okay, but you have to be thorough with the concept. You can able to write. Without thoroughing the concept of that particular chapter, you can't able to. Okay, next question we'll see. Okay. If you have a chance to meet pulmonologist, what questions are you going to ask about pulmonary respiration? Who can be called as pulmonologist? Pulmonologist means what? The specialist who can deal with the lungs. That is the lungs doctor. We can, in casual way, in generally, we can say lungs doctor. Pulmonology. Pulmonology means lungs. Okay, so what questions are you going to ask about pulmonary respiration? So regarding to the respiration, regarding to the lungs or respiratory system, if you went to the pulmonologist, what questions you can ask? So here, whenever you are asking the questions, you have to start with the WH type or how or why, what, when, where, like that only you have to start. And end compulsory with the question mark. Why? Because here they'll ask to ask the questions. So for asking means questions means we already know. That is you have to put the question mark only. Unless you won't get the marks. So what questions you will ask? Okay, so for example, now the burning problem is COVID-19. So if you went to the pulmonologist, you can ask how the COVID-19 will get the, that is the COVID-19 is directly affecting to the lungs or not. So like that you can ask. So you can ask the questions. So you can ask WH type. You can start the questions with the WH type and end with the question mark. Unless you won't get the complete marks sum. Okay. And the next see here the diagram. So by seeing only, so it is not clear, but I'll explain you. So the first question, what is the aim of the experiment? Very most important and very familiar one also. Okay, what is the aim of the experiment here? So to prove that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. That is, so here we are, by this experiment, we are going to know either carbon dioxide is essential or not for photosynthesis. That concept we have to know here. And identify the special conditions inside the flask. So inside the flask, here you can see that is here we are taking a flask here. So this is the flask. So inside the flask, what it will contain? So inside the flask, we are finding the KOH. KOH means potassium hydroxide. So KOH can able to absorb the carbon dioxide from the flask. Flask లో ఏదైనా కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ ఉంటే దాన్ని అంతా కూడా కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు అబ్జార్బ్ అండ్ ఇట్ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు బైండ్ టు ఇట్. ఆ కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ అంతా కూడా అబ్జర్వ్ చేసేసుకొని పట్టి ఉంచుతుంది. ఓకేనా. సో నౌ ద ఫ్లాస్క్ ఈస్ ఫ్రీ విత్ కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్. మన కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ అవసరమా లేదా ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ కి అని తెలియాలంటే వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ, వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫ్రీ దట్. అంటే మన కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ అవసరమా ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ లేదా అంటే అది లేనప్పుడే కదా మనకు దాని విలువ తెలిసేది. సో అది లేకుంటే ఫోటోసింథసిస్ జరగలేదు అనుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ అవసరం. ఉన్నా photosynthesis జరగలేదు అంటే carbon dioxide is not necessary. So like that here we are proving that. Next, what is the role of KOH in the experiment? Now only we discuss. KOH can be able to absorb the carbon dioxide, whatever the carbon dioxide present in that flask. And the last question, in about first and second. So here I'm thinking that what is the difference we are finding? That is the leaf. In the separate they had given the leaf. So here they had given the leaf. So this is the upper portion it having the starch, and the lower one, that is the leaf which is inserted inside the flask, won't having the starch. How you can identify that the leaf is having the starch or not means by testing with the iodine solution. Okay, so what is the procedure of this experiment? Okay, first we are taking the potted plant having the long leaves. Okay, keeping aside that is away from the sunlight for nearly 3 to 4 days. Okay, after then by getting out to the sunlight by watering, we are fixing half of the leaf into the thermos glass, half of the leaf into the a wide mouthed glass bottle which is having the KOH solution. Okay, only half. You have to be here notify that only half of the leaf, whatever the leaf which is near to the ground, that leaf we have to select, and in that only half of the leaf we have to insert into that the wide mouthed glass bottle, whatever the glass bottle having the KOH solution, and undisturbedly we are keeping aside means keeping under the sunlight for some 5 to 6 hours. After then, we are removing whatever the leaf we are inserted in the wide mouthed glass bottle. We are removing the leaf and tested with the iodine solution. Okay. After testing with the iodine solution, whatever the leaf whatever the leaf which is exposed to the sunlight, that is which is not inserted in the glass bottle, that after testing with iodine solution it will turns into the bluish black color, and whatever the leaf which is present inside the bottle, that will turn into the pale color, or it will be remain same color. Okay, so what is how can you conclude that is by this testing with the iodine solution means wherever we can find the starch, whenever the starch is reacting with the iodine solution, that will be converted into the blue black color, and wherever the starch is not there, by reacting with the it will only react with the iodine solution, then the iodine solution will not be that the leaf will not be converted into the blue black. అర్థమైందా మనం చెప్పింది? ఇక లీఫ్ తీసుకున్నాం, ఏదైతే గ్లాస్ లో పెట్టినామో ఆ లీఫ్ తీసుకొని ఏం చేసినాము, ఎయిర్ కి అంటే బాటిల్ లోపలికి పెట్టినదేమో తీసేసి ఐడిన్ సొల్యూషన్ తో టెస్ట్ చేస్తే, బాటిల్ లోపలికి పెట్టినదేమో ఇట్ విల్ బి రిమైన్స్ కలర్లెస్. బాటిల్ పైకి అంటే విచ్ విల్ నాట్ బి ద పోర్షన్ ఆఫ్ ది లీఫ్ విచ్ విల్ నాట్ బి ఇన్సర్టెడ్ ఇన్ ద గ్లాస్ బాటిల్ ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయని పోర్షన్ వచ్చేసి మనకు బ్లూ బ్లాక్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఇట్ విల్ బి available the it will be having the carbon dioxide. Okay, so that is the main difference between the 1 and 2. 1 is rich with the carbon dioxide and 2 is lack of carbon dioxide. So that's why one is showing the starch, that is blue black color, and the second one it won't be turned into the blue black color. Okay, okay, so these are the questions whatever we had written you had written in a FA1 exam. So all of you got clear with this question, Sama? How many of you have answered these questions? Nod your heads. Okay. Next we are moving to the bits. So see the food prepared by the plants is stored in the form of. In what form it will be stored? Very good. Start. And see this. Okay, good. Next question I'll show you. In the process of photosynthesis, the carbon dioxide is reduced to. I need the answer. In the process of photosynthesis, carbohydrates. Okay. Identify the organ in the following diagram. What is the organ there? What is the organ here? Huh? I'm getting pancreas. What is the organ? Pancreas. Okay. Okay. See here. So identify the organ in stomach, small intestine, pancreas, and duodenum. So here we already know that. So this is the stomach. Okay. And this is the liver. Okay, and in the liver only here you can find the gallbladder, and this is the yellow one is the whatever we have to answer, that is the pancreas, and this is the large intestine, and this is the small intestine. Okay, and this is the rectum, and the last opening is the anus. Here you can find a small tail. This is the appendix. Okay, so these are the parts of the alimentary canal. See here, arrange the diagram in sequence order. What is the answer for it? That is first, it is the food. It is coming near to the food. That is the B. After then, it is engulfing the food. It is surrounding the food. That is the C. With the help of pseudopodia, whatever extensions of its body, we are calling it as a pseudopodia. It is surrounding the body. It will be extending the pseudopodia around the food. That is the C. After then, it will be engulfing in the inside its body, that is A, and last it will be inside the body for digestion. So the option is B, C, A, D. Okay. Okay. Next we'll move. Next question. Hmm. Which of the following group of animals have a shorter small intestine? Amma? Anybody can answer? Very good. Carnivores. Carnivores will be having the shorter small intestine. Larger small intestine, where we can find larger. Smaller carnivores, okay. Larger, very good. Herbivores. Why? Because it will be taking the high amount of cellulose. So that's why herbivores. You can answer the 10th one without options. Dash is the product of aerobic respiration. What is the product of aerobic respiration? Huh? Pyruvate. Option without options, you can't say the answer. Huh? Without options, you have to prepare. Never depend upon the options. Okay, see here. Aerobic respiration product. What is the product? Malic acid, ethylene, lactose. This won't be the. Okay, so here the option is pyruvate. And an oxidation of one molecule of glucose ATP. How many ATP? 38 ATP. Very good. 38 ATP. Okay. Next. Here, energy gained during aerobic respiration is dash times more than anaerobic respiration. How many times? Very good. 18 times. Remember this question, very important. Respiration is the process in which energy is used up, energy is released and stored in the form of ATP. Energy is stored in the form of ATP. The option is second one. Energy is released and stored in the form of ATP. Okay, the second option, ma, 13th one. Okay, and the last we are seeing. Okay, cluster of air sacs in lungs are called. What you can call that? Alveoli. Alveoli. Okay, first option. Okay, I think all of them are finished. I think so. We are all covered now. అన్ని కవర్ చేసాం. ఓకే, సో ఐ థింక్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూర్ got questions, ma. So like this only, for further F7, that is for slip test also we are planning to conduct. For further, that is ప్రతి మీరు కరెక్ట్ కూర్చోండి ఫస్ట్. ఫర్దర్ గా మీకు ఇంకా ఇలానే ఉంటాయి క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని కూడా. సో స్టిల్ హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ది మెంబర్స్ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ద ఎగ్జామ్, అన్ని సబ్జెక్ట్స్. 80 మెంబర్స్ అయితే 40నే వచ్చినాయి అందరికి ఆన్సర్ స్క్రిప్ట్స్. రిమైనింగ్ వాళ్ళందరికి వద్దా టీసీలు మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కి చెప్పండి, ఎవరైతే రాయలేదో అటెంప్ట్ చేయలేదో వాళ్ళు. సెక్రటరీ సార్ వచ్చేసి ఎవరైతే ఎగ్జామ్స్ అటెంప్ట్ చేయలేదో వాళ్ళకి టీసీలు రెడీ చేస్తున్నారంట చూడండి. వై? బికాస్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ 9th and 8th, 10th మీరందరూ కూడా. వినిపిస్తుందా? చెప్పండి మీ వాళ్ళకి. ఓన్లీ 40నే వచ్చాయి నాకు ఇప్పటి వరకు. ఇంకా స్టిల్ ఐ విల్ వెయిట్ టుడే. ఈ రోజు అంతా కూడా వెయిట్ చేస్తాను, ఎందుకంటే రేపటి లోపల పంపించమన్నారు నాకు మార్క్స్. నాకు ఇవాళ ఎంతమంది మాక్సిమం ఉంటే అంతమంది పంపిస్తే మేలు. ఇవన్నీ ఆన్సర్స్ అన్ని ఆన్లైన్ కాబట్టి డైరెక్ట్ గా అక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోతాయి సెక్రటేరియట్ కి. సారే చూస్తారు. ఇంతమంది లేరు అంటే ఇక మీ ఇష్టం చూడండి ఇంకా. ఎందుకంటే మీరు ఎలాగో ఆన్సర్స్ రాయట్లేదు, ఏం లేదు, ఎగ్జామ్స్ అటెంప్ట్ చేయట్లేదు. సో మీరు ఎలాగో ఫెయిల్ అవుతారు అనేసి సార్ కూడా రెడీ అయిపోతారు. టీసీలు రెడీగా ఉండండి తీసుకోవడానికి. వాళ్ళకి చెప్పండి అమ్మా, ఎవరైతే రాయలేదో వాళ్ళు. ఓకేనా? ఓకే. So in the next class we'll start with the new chapter. That is third chapter only still we are in. ఇంకా థర్డ్ చాప్టర్ ఉన్నాం కదా. Okay. So by this the class is finished. So the discussion of the paper is finished, ma. So all of you get the answers. So whatever the questions you had written, maintain a separate book, అమ్మా. ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. చాలా సెర్చ్ చేసి సెపరేట్ బుక్ లో క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆన్సర్స్ రాసి పెట్టుకోండి. వెన్ ఎవర్ యూఆర్ కమింగ్ టు ద స్కూల్ అట్ ద November 2nd, యూ హ్యావ్ టు బ్రింగ్ దిస్ బుక్. అందరు మర్చిపోకుండా ఈ బుక్ తీసుకొని రావాలి. బుక్ మెయింటైన్ చేస్తారు అందరూ. మేము రేష్మ లాస్ట్ లో యాడ్ అవుతున్నందుకు పని లేక అంత అయిపోయినాక క్లాస్. డయాగ్రామ్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ నేను చెప్పిన ఇంతకుముందు హోంవర్క్ ఇచ్చినా గానీ ఎవరు కూడా డయాగ్రామ్స్ నాకు సెండ్ చేయలేదు. ఏమి డయాగ్రామ్స్ సెండ్ చేయాలి, వేసి పంపించండి. హార్ట్, ఇంటర్నల్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ హార్ట్ వేసి పంపించండి ఇవాళ నీట్ గా వేసి.